Starting an online store can feel like stepping into a dream. You see the potential for success, the freedom of being your own boss, and the allure of making money while you sleep. But before you dive in, let's talk about the hidden costs that many e-commerce platforms don't reveal up front. Take Shopify, for example. It's incredibly user-friendly, which is why so many people flock to it. But what they don't tell you is that the basic plan, while affordable, doesn't include transaction fees if you use external payment gateways. That can add up quickly. Plus, if you want to use advanced features or apps, those costs can skyrocket. You might start with a low monthly fee, but once you add in those extras, you could be looking at a much higher bill. Now, let's look at 𝐵𝐽commerce. It's great for larger businesses with more complex needs, but it comes with its own set of hidden costs. The pricing tiers are based on your annual sales, which means if you start to grow, you could find yourself bumped into a higher tier without realizing it. And don't forget about the cost of themes and plugins. While some are free, many are not, and they can be essential for a polished look and functionality. Wix is another popular choice, especially for those who want a visually appealing site without the technical headaches. But again, the base price is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to sell online, you'll need to upgrade to a plan that allows e-commerce features, and that's where the costs start to climb. Plus, if you want to connect your own domain or remove Wix ads, those are additional fees too. Now, let's break down some additional costs that often get overlooked. Design is a big one. You might think you can DIY, but hiring a professional can make a huge difference in how your store is perceived. Then there's hosting. Some platforms include hosting in their fees, while others don't, which can lead to unexpected expenses. Marketing is another area where many new store owners underestimate costs. Running ads on social media or Google can be effective, but it's easy to overspend if you're not careful. And as your business grows, scaling can bring its own set of challenges and costs. You might need to invest in better shipping solutions or fulfillment services which can eat into your profits. Support is crucial too. Some platforms offer 24/7 support, while others have limited hours or slower response times. If you run into issues, having reliable support can save you time and money in the long run. So, how do you choose the right platform? Start by evaluating your business needs. Consider your budget, the features you truly need, and how you plan to scale. Look for transparency in pricing and be wary of those enticing low monthly fees that don't tell the whole story. Maximizing value while minimizing costs is key. Do your research, read reviews, and maybe even reach out to other store owners for their insights. The right platform can set you up for success, but being aware of the hidden costs will help you avoid nasty surprises down the line. Engage with this content, share your thoughts, and let's navigate the world of e-commerce together.